friends, welcome you back once again in Study Battle. So today you all will be knowing that today is the World Ozone Day. Okay, so 16th of September, that is the Ozone Day. Okay, so that we will discuss today, what is the theme and why we celebrate it and what was the reason behind the celebration of this day and what are the worries or the disturbing things which we have to just adhere. Okay, so let's discuss it out. So firstly we will talk about why this news, why this is in news today. So you all will knowing that we have already discussed that 16th of September, okay, that is celebrated as World Ozone Day every year. Okay, World Ozone Day, that is celebrated on 16th of September every year. And why we celebrate it? So we celebrate it in order to spread the awareness. Okay, in order to spread the awareness among the people about the depletion of ozone layer. We all know that is the ozone zone or ozone layer that is depleting, and in order to find the possible solution in order to preserve it, and what can be the precautionary measures or what are the steps which can be taken in order to preserve this layer. Okay, and how this day is celebrated? So on this day, people from all over the world, they hold talks. They hold some types of talks, conferences, okay, seminar or all that, and on the ozone layer, means the introduction of ozone layer, how it helps, why it's necessary, why in order to preserve this layer, what is the necessity of preserving this ozone layer. So all these things, types of symposia, okay, poster, charts and all these things are taking place every year when the ozone day that is being celebrated. Okay, and we must understand some basic topics, some basic points about the ozone layer. Also some basic topics, these are very necessary for you to understand. We all know that this is a natural gas. Okay, so this is an ozone, that is a natural gas compound. Okay, so this is a naturally occurring gas compound, ozone gas or ozone zone. There are 3 atoms of oxygen. Okay, so 3 atoms of oxygen are there to participate to preserve the ozone layer that occurring naturally in the atmosphere. So this is very important for you. You all will be aware with this point, but just for the introductory part. And where it's found, this is very important from exam point of view, especially for the NET exam, CSI and NET exam. So this is found in between 20 to 30 kilometers above the surface of the earth. Okay, above the surface of the earth, and which zone? Stratosphere. Okay, so 20 to 30 kilometers above the earth surface. And what is its significance? So if we talk about its significance, so it's act just like a blanket, just like a natural filter absorbing the sun's ultraviolet rays, which are very harmful if we are face the ultraviolet rays directly, it can harm our skin. Okay, there can be some skin types of skin types of problems can be there on your human's body as well as onto the animals also. Okay, so direct ultraviolet rays, it prevents the ultraviolet rays to reach directly to the earth surface. Okay, protecting the living beings. That's the point of our discussion. It protects the living beings from the different types of dangers which can occur because of the ultraviolet rays. And how it's being measured? So Dobson unit, that is very important for you to understand, that the ozone layer or ozone hole, that is measured in Dobson. That's the international unit. Okay, so Dobson is the international unit to measure the thickness of ozone layer. This question can be asked in the general GK type exams also, and also in the geological exams also. Okay, so Dobson is the unit for the measurement of thickness of ozone layer. And what is the point of discussion, why it's important and why it's celebrated? So it's being celebrated because the mandatory thickness of ozone, layer, that is 300 Dobson unit, means the thickness which is mandatory for ozone layer to occur, that is 300 Dobson unit. But because of the human interference and some other causes, the thickness of ozone layer at present, that is 220 Dobson. Okay, so 220 Dobson unit, that is the point of worry. Okay, and if we talk about the current status, what is the current status of the ozone hole? So this problem was being faced in Antarctica, that the ozone hole that was depleting, the Antarctica ozone hole, one of the deepest, largest gap in the ozone layer. In the last 40 years, there was a deepest ozone hole that was discovered in Antarctica region. Okay, and now up to the present, what is the present scenario? So according to World Meteorological Organization, or WMO, on January 2021, this year, they have mentioned they have released a press note that the ozone zone that has closed. Okay, so this is the report, the current report, that the ozone hole that has been closed as per the 6th of January 2021. Okay, so this was our discussion, and what is important for you to understand, whether you are a general candidate, means whether you are preparing for general knowledge exam where the GK is being asked, or environmental questions being asked, or you are a geological or earth science student. From both point of view, the Dobson unit, that is very important, means in which unit the thickness of ozone layer is being measured and what is the current status, as well as the, if you are general candidate, sorry, if you are preparing for general knowledge exams, or where the current affairs is being asked, okay, whether you are preparing for combined geoscientist preliminary examination or other examination, the theme is very important for you to understand. Not only this ozone hole day, but all the different days, all the different types of days which are being celebrated every month. So the theme and why it's being celebrated, that is very important for you to understand. So what is the theme for International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer? Okay, so this day is being celebrated in order to preserve the ozone layer. How we can preserve the ozone layer? This is the cause why we celebrate it. So what is the theme of this year? So this year theme is Montreal Protocol. Okay, so this protocol that was being discussed in Montreal, that's why Montreal Protocol, keeping us, our food and vaccines cool. Okay, so this is the theme, Montreal Protocol, keeping us, our food as well as the vaccines cool. So this is the theme of this current year's ozone day hole. Okay, so this is all about this present video. Thank you.